Residents in Cherry Tree Lane, Clarendon get their wish with bonfire vigil in the community to memorialize 8 people murdered. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News and our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Kalisha Williams. Also this evening, farmers and fisherfolk in Clarendon and Manchester continue to get assistance from various stakeholders. And first state-owned oxygen plant expected to help improve maternal and neonatal care. There's also Saturday's Sports Special and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.